So if you follow my channel, you'd have probably heard of generative fill by now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you another cool technique of how you can take a photo and seamlessly expand that photo wider and wider, higher and higher, with intricate, insane details. Let's have a look.
Okay, so let's start with our first image, and that's going to be this one here, this drone shot of a beach. So what we're going to do is get our crop tool, which I've already got selected, and you'll notice up the top it's got Generative Expand. It's already got it selected. So I'm just going to click and drag out, and let's just zoom out, and let's make this, quite a bit bigger. There we go. So let's have a look. Now all we want to do is we could type something in here, or we could just click generate, but I'm just going to click this tick because it knows what we want to do, and then we're going to have this loading bar and it's going to do the job for us. Okay, let's have a bit of a zoom in and look at this. That is really cool. So let's cycle through. 1, 2, I prefer 2 and 3. I think, yeah, the buildings and houses there aren't the best. It looks like they're in rubble. So I'm going to go with number 2, I think. Yeah, that's perfect. So just click off. So this is where we've come from, and this is all the AI content that is generated, which is awesome. Now we can do this just in one direction if we want, so get the crop tool, and let's continue going over here and just click tick again to see what it does. Okay, and we've got a nicer cove around here. It's actually started adding in some water back there. So let's click, that's okay. I'm not a fan of down here, and yeah, I like that as well. So I'm just going to click that one, and you can see that this is where we've come from and where we've got to. So this works quite nicely, and there's a lot of small detail in here, and it's not that close up. So let's give this a go on another image where we've got more close up detail, where we're closer to the image. So let's same again, crop tool, and I'm just going to come up by here and then out down here. And then just click tick, and let's see how it copes with this image. Okay, that is really, really good. It's held up so well with this detail around here, all the complex rock detail. Let's click through. Yeah, that's good. Not sure or a fan of what's happening there. But yeah, that one's really, really good as well. So I think it's between 1 and 3. I'm going to go with number 1. And again, that's what we've got. It's keeping all those lovely tones coming over as well. So that's how you expand an image in Photoshop using the generative fill, which is really, really powerful. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment of what you want to see next, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.